Most smartphones have a specific purpose or target consumer they're designed for. The Galaxy Z Fold range the kings of productivity, with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 Samsung continues this trend. So the Z Fold 4 is an amazing phone. I've been using it and it's super fast. It's a productivity monster. The battery life is great. It looks amazing. Lots of things are a little nicer. Nothing is radically better in some aspects. That means playing catch up to what virtually other flagship phone offers, like a decent telephoto camera. It's a refinement of the unique features this foldable brings to the table. We all know that outdoors in direct sunlight, that's where you need an extra bright display. Normally you would swipe down and raise the brightness all the way to the max and hope that your smartphone can handle it, but there's an option to make your Fold 4 display even brighter. Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be able to increase its max brightness even more, but keep in mind you will use more battery life. It's a premium device through and through, with the ultra-tough Gorilla Glass thickness on the front back, and Samsung's Armor aluminum frame bringing it all together. Samsung introduced expert RAW features with S21 and S22, and now Samsung added the support for the Z Fold for all cameras, where you can control the shutter speed and ISO. The newer version of this app improved the performance in low light with ability to add custom presets. One of the big improvements that Samsung brought to the Z Fold 3 design was making the front display a full edge-to-edge screen, which mirrors more flagship unfolding device today. And we have here is a 6.2-inch AMOLED that lives up to class Samsung name, and it looks fantastic. It's just a little more intuitive and comfortable to use. The Z Fold 4 is still expensive, but if you've been interested in the Fold and watching for Samsung to work the bugs out of the system, then this is the foldable phone you've been waiting for. Z Fold 4 comes with IPX8 certified, which means it can deal with water, but don't you dare to put your Galaxy Z Fold 4 to the beach, because it's not dust resistance. The build quality is exceptional, like when you put your hands on this will not fall out of your hand. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is close to being the perfect phone for portable productivity, and the improved camera means it's likely to be a permanent fixture in my pocket at least until the Z Fold 5 next year. With that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.